Question number 171. Alveolar walls are lined by, and the very first option given is simple squamous epithelium, and is a correct answer to our question, because this simple squamous epithelium permits exchange of gases in alveoli and lines the lungs. This epithelium also lines heart and body cavities. So the correct answer is option number 1. Let's discuss other options also. Second option is stratified squamous epithelium, and this is an incorrect option because stratified squamous epithelium lines areas subject to aberration such as skin, mouth, esophagus, etc. The third option is compound cuboidal epithelium, and this is an incorrect option because this compound cuboidal epithelium lines the ducts of salivary glands, mammary glands, urethra, etc. So this is an incorrect option. Our last option is ciliated squamous epithelium, and this is an incorrect option. There is no such epithelium called ciliated squamous epithelium. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 172. Cells belonging to which tissue generally increase in size when a person gains weight, obesity? So in obese people, what we see is that lean adipose tissues gets converted into obese adipose tissues, and this conversion takes place by the increase in size of these cells. As you can see, in case of non-obese people, these adipose tissues are lean, whereas when the person gains weight and become obese, it will become obese adipose tissue and the cells increases in size. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is adipose tissue. Whereas the other options like blood and bone, which are specialized connective tissues, they remain constant and they do not increase in size in obese people. And the last option, that is areolar, is a loose connective tissue and there is no change in the size of cells of these tissues in obese people. So this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 173. Stratum germinativum is responsible for mitotic divisions in epithelium. Stratum corneum is present in. This layer called stratum corneum, it is the topmost layer of stratified keratinized epithelium. Now the very first option given is skin, and skin contains keratinized, stratified, squamous epithelium. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Stratum corneum is present in skin. Whereas the other 3 options, that is pharynx, intestinal mucosa and tongue, they are lined by non-keratinized, moist epithelium tissue. So these are the incorrect options. So the correct answer for this question is skin, in which stratum corneum is present, which prevents skin from losing its moisture. So the correct answer is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 174. Choose the incorrect match. And the very first option given is simple cuboidal epithelium lines DCT and PCT, and this is a correct option because simple cuboidal epithelium lines the tubular parts of nephron in kidney. The second option given is simple columnar epithelium. Lines ovary and testis, and this is an incorrect option because ovary and testis, they are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium, also known as germinal epithelium. So the second option is incorrect and is a correct answer to our question. Let's discuss other options also. The third option is transitional epithelium, and these epithelium lines ureters and renal pelvis, and this is a correct option. Our last option is ciliated epithelium, and it lines trachea and fallopian tube. Ciliated cuboidal and ciliated columnar epithelium lines trachea and fallopian tube respectively. So this is a correct option. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 175. Type of cell junction that prevents passage of corrosive chemical or waste products between cells and into bloodstream is or are. Now in the question you have to find out that which cell junction prevents the passage of chemicals as well as waste products between cells, which means prevents leakage. And we all know that tight junctions make tissues leak proof. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is tight junction, which prevents the leakage in tissues. Now let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is macular adherence, and macular adherence is another name for adhering junctions. Which keep the neighboring cells together. So this cannot be a correct answer. Our second option is gap junctions, and gap junctions promote cytoplasmic continuity between cells. So this cannot be a correct answer. Our third option is communication junctions, and this is an incorrect option because communication junction, as the name suggests, helps in communication between the cells and they do not provide this proof from leakage. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.